I am to start my day with Juiceplus Booster. If you are wondering what this is, Juiceplus Booster is a powdered weight loss supplement that claims to suppress appetite and reduces cravings. This supplement is made up of glucomannan, that's a natural fiber, green tea extract, fructose, oil emulsion, and caffeine, that's a stimulant. To prepare this, you need 1 sachet of the booster powder, that's what you see me doing. Then you add it to 8 to 16 ounces of water. See how I'm doing, I'm making mine. That's the right quantity of water to use. You mix it together, then you drink it 3 times before each meal. Every day, 3 times before each meal. After drinking it, you wait 30 minutes before eating your meal. That's the right prescription of the booster. The booster drink is ready, as you can see. So I'm going to drink this now and wait for 30 minutes before I have my breakfast. As you can see, I have other Juiceplus products here with me. They have the complete shake, which comes in 2 flavors. They have the chocolate flavor and the vanilla flavor. And also the premium capsules, which consist of the fruit blend, vegetable blend, berries blend, and also omega blend. Guys, if you are interested in any of these Juiceplus products, contact me, inbox me, drop me a comment, and also I'll leave the link to the website where you can place your order. Juiceplus is a very good product which consists of fruits and vegetables that have lots of vitamins and minerals. There is no substitute for eating real things, but how many people actually eat such a wide variety of fruits, vegetables, and greens every day? That's a question for you to answer. I recommend Juiceplus because it's a convenient way to ensure you and your family receive all the benefits over time from adding more nutrients from fresh fruits, vegetables to your diet. Take Juiceplus products and be assured of a healthy living lifestyle. Check out the website that I'll be dropping the link, or contact me, inbox me, drop me a comment to place your order. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching. Make the right decision by adding Juiceplus supplements into your daily diets. And I promise you, you will never regret.